Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you know, we are now in Bali. So today we have decided to go give you guys a complete house tour that we rent a house here. So let's have a look.
Okay, let's go.
As you can see, it's a villa. Like we have 3 small houses in here and a swimming pool, and over there is a security corner. So you have everything in this villa. Basically, like this is our house, and here number 2 and number 1. Also have a small garden over there, and we can pick up the veggies if we would like. So here is the garden, and we are allowed to take whatever the fruit or whatever the veggies in this small garden. So over here is our bike stand where we can park our bikes, and here is our Scoopy, and for which we pay for 750,000 rupiah, so which is equal to around $50 US dollar for the whole month. So I think it's a quite good deal, and yeah, check our bike. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy our house tour videos, and hope you guys to see you again with more interesting Bali vlog on the way, and stay tuned. Bye bye.